Listen to this idea. It is simple, but it can change your life. You do not need big actions. You need small steps. Yes, small steps every day. Many people want fast success. They say, I want change now. I want a better life today. But life does not work like this. Big change takes time. Big change starts small. Look at a baby. The baby cannot walk. First, the baby moves slowly. Then, the baby sits. Then, the baby crawls. Then, one step. Just one step. Then two. Then three. Now, the baby can walk. This is how life works. You want to learn English. Good. Do not study 5 hours one day and then stop for 1 week. That is not good. Study a little every day. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Read a short text. Listen to simple words. Speak a little. Every day. This is power. You want to be strong. You want a healthy body. Do not do hard exercise one day and then stop. Walk every day. Move your body. Drink water. Small steps. You want a better life. Start with your habits. Wake up a little earlier. Make your bed. Clean your space. These are small things, but they change your day. At first, it feels slow. You may feel nothing. You may say, this is too easy. This is not enough. But do not stop. Keep going. Day 1, you learn 1 word. Day 2, you learn 1 more. Day 10, you know 10 words. Day 30, you know many words. Now you can speak more. This is how growth works, little by little. Some people quit early. They start, then they stop. They say, it is too slow, it is too hard. But the truth is simple. They stop too soon. Do not be like them. Be patient. Be calm. Be strong inside. Every day is a chance. You can choose 1 small action. Read 1 page. Write 1 sentence. Learn 1 word. Just 1. And then repeat. Again, and again, and again. Small steps become habits. Habits build your life. Think about water. 1 drop is small, very small, but many drops can fill a glass, can fill a river. Small becomes big. Your effort is the same. 1 small action is a drop. Every day, drop, drop, drop. Now you have something big. Do not wait for motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel good. Some days you feel tired. That is normal. Do not stop. Even on bad days, do something small, very small. This is the secret. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to continue. Look back after 1 month. you will see change. Small, but real. Look back after 3 months, you will feel stronger. You will know more. Look back after 1 year, you will be proud. People will ask you, "How did you do this?" And your answer is simple. Small steps every day. So today, start now. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. Take one small step. Read this again. Say one sentence. Learn one new word. That is enough. Remember this. Big dreams are good, but small actions build them. Step by step, day by day, you grow, you change, you become better. And one day, you will see it clearly. Your small steps made a big life. You started. That is already powerful. Many people do not start. They wait. They think too much. But you took a step. That matters. Now, listen carefully. The problem is not starting. The problem is continuing, day after day. Some days are easy. You feel good. You feel strong. You study, you learn, you smile. These days are nice. But some days are not easy. You feel tired. You feel lazy. You feel bored. You want to stop. This is the moment. This is the test. What do you do now? Strong people continue, not because they feel good, but because they decided. So, on a bad day, do something very small. Read one line. Write one word. Listen for 1 minute. That is enough. Why is this important? Because you keep the habit. You do not break the chain. Think of a chain. Day 1, you study. Day 2, you study. Day 3, you study. Now you have a chain, a strong chain. But if you stop, the chain breaks, and it is hard to start again. So protect your chain, even with small actions. Now let's talk about mistakes. Many learners are afraid. They say, "I make mistakes. I speak wrong," so they stop. But listen, mistakes are good. Yes, good. When you make a mistake, you learn. You see the problem. You can fix it. No mistakes equals no learning. Think of a child again. The child falls many times, but the child stands again, again and again. And one day, the child walks well. Be like the child. Do not fear mistakes. Use them. Now, another idea. Do not compare too much. Do not say, "He is better than me. She learns faster." Everyone has a different path. Some go fast, some go slow. That is okay. Your only job is simple. Be better than yesterday. Just a little better. Yesterday, you knew 10 words. Today, you know 11. This is progress. Yesterday, you were shy. Today, you say 1 sentence. This is progress. Small, but real. Now, imagine this. You continue for 100 days. Small steps every day. What happens? You change. Your mind is stronger. Your English is better. Your confidence grows. People will see it. They will say, "You improved." And you will smile because you know the truth. It was not magic. It was small steps every day. So keep going. Do not rush. Do not stop. Just move forward. When you feel lost, come back to simple actions. Read, listen, speak, again and again. You are building something. Maybe you cannot see it now, but it is growing inside you. Trust the process. Trust your effort. And remember this strong idea. You do not need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. So, continue today. One step, one action. That is enough. And tomorrow, do it again.